we're going to present to experiment environment to extraction acetyl salicylic acid, better known as aspirin. The main objective is separate and recover the active ingredient and mix it with the excipients and commercial tablets. Aspirin is an organic composed with acid propanes. This is important because solvent depending on type of solvent. Thanks to behavior, we can use the liquid extraction method, which consists of transferring a compound from one pass to another depending on its chemical affinity. The process is passed when the fact to aspirin is more soluble in hot alcohol than in cold water, which allows it to be insoluble through crystallization. My partner will now continue explaining in the process. The materials used are mortar and pestle, 50 ml breaker, 25 ml graduate cylinder, filter paper, blunt tape, tuser, wedge glass. The rounders used acid salicylic acid tablets, ice, ethanol, acetone, and the equipment kitasato flag, Buchner, Fresnel, 18 plate magnetic steering, and a LED balancing oven at 110 decibels. Fisher Jones making pan apparently.
Hi, my name is Nicole. Now I will explain the step-by-step process exactly as was performed in the laboratory. Step 1. We crush it at the aspirin tablet until obtaining a fine powder. This increases the contact surface and facilitates dissolutions, and we places of the powder inside a filtered paper envelope. Step 2. We places the packet of the powder into a beaker and added ethanol. Then we gently heated the mixture. The goal is for the acetylsalicylic acid to dissolve completely. Step 3. The cooling and the crystals formation. We remove the packet from the beaker and place it in ice bath to form more crystals. This is part of the experiment. Two different and faster ways to obtain crystals without bleeding. One of them is scraping the walls of the beaker while it is in the water, but so it cools faster than crystal gradually. The second and most efficient for us is using a latex hose connected to the vacuum outlet. We insert inside the beaker without touching the substance so it cools faster and the precipitate forms more quickly. Step 4. Vacuum filtration. We filtered using Buchner funnel to obtain the final aspirin crystals. With a glass rod scraping the walls and placed the material inside the funnel so that it filters under vacuum with the kitasato flask and latex hose. At the end, with the crystals obtained, we recovered the active ingredient and placed it in on a small plant because it is beneficial for it. Remember that this is a short version of the experiment, so it is recommended to follow measurement protocol in the laboratory using your logbook.
After the vacuum filtration, we obtain white crystal of acetylsalicylic acid. The purity of the final product depends on how well each set was before dissolution, hot filtration and crystallization. This experiment allows us to understand how separation and purification techniques used in organic chemistry and the pharmaceutical industry work. In summary, this procedure allows us not only to extract a beer from a commercial table, but also to understand its chemical properties and how the facility is separation. In conclusion, we chose this experiment because it seemed to us the most use of tools with practice in class. Thank you for watching our work.